Ever wondered how much your Social Security checks will be when you retire? It's a question that keeps many of us up at night. But here's the good news. The federal government has rolled out an updated online tool that makes it easier than ever to find out. But here's where it gets controversial. While the tool is designed to simplify the process, navigating the Social Security Administration's massive bureaucracy can still feel like solving a puzzle. So, let's break it down in a way that even beginners can understand. In late August, the Social Security Administration, SSA, introduced new features to its website, www.SSA.gov, benefiting not just the 97 million Americans who already have online accounts, but also the over 300 million Americans with active Social Security numbers. And this is the part most people miss. You can now do things like order a free replacement Social Security card online, 24/7, or use the retirement calculator to estimate your future benefits, even if retirement is decades away. Let's say you're curious about your retirement benefits at age 62, 67, or 70. The retirement calculator instantly generates a chart showing your projected monthly payments based on your earnings history. It's a game changer for anyone trying to plan their financial future. But to access these features, you'll need to create a My Social Security account. Here's where it might feel a bit tedious. You'll need to take a photo of your driver's license or passport, snap a selfie, and follow the online prompts. Once done, though, you can skip the trip to a physical SSA office for tasks like requesting a replacement Social Security card, using the retirement calculator, checking the status of your claims, viewing your Social Security statement complete with age-based and earnings-based fact sheets, accessing your SSA 1099 form. The SSA has also expanded round-the-clock access to other essential features, such as viewing your benefits, payment information, voluntary tax withholding details, and direct deposit data. To get started, visit www.ssa.gov/myaccount and explore the full list of online services. Now here's a thought-provoking question. With these digital advancements, do you think the SSA is doing enough to modernize its services, or are there still gaps that need addressing? Share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear your perspective. Reporter Amy Green covers politics, personal finance, and consumer issues. Reach her at 503-294-5119, agreen@oregonian.com, or on Blue Sky. Disclaimer: if you purchase a product or register for an account through links on our site, we may receive compensation. By using this site, you agree to our user agreement and privacy policy, which allow us to collect, record, and store your interactions and personal information. Star.